Hello there, I'm Yanni with WTI, and if you have a Paw Patrol lover on your hands, these will be the perfect gift for them. So this is the Paw Patrol Rocky Reuse-A-Truck, and it's a fantastic toy that my kids are absolutely obsessed with it. So the idea behind the toy is super cool. It's actually functional, which is fantastic. So pretty much if you put the garbage that Rocky picks up right in here, and you use this lever to bring the bin up, it releases the garbage in there, and then boom, it turns into useful tools. How much fun is that? So my kids really love this. It's super fun, and they spend hours playing with this. So it's a great toy. It makes a fantastic gift, and I have to tell you, the quality is fantastic. We have two boys that are really rough, and they play with this all the time, and it's still in one piece, which I'm completely shocked about. So if you're looking for a really great quality toy, definitely recommend this one. It's adorable and it's functional. So your kids are definitely going to have a great time playing with this. And that is my point of view.